grilling began today on Capitol Hill. Supreme Court nominee Judge Neil Gorsuch went before lawmakers, and while the nation is looking at his rulings as a judge, New Mexico has already experienced many of them. News 13's Aaron Drawhorn poured over some of his key rulings. Aaron?
Dean Knudsen, Sandra Day O'Connor has a Supreme Court pick come from the Southwest, but with Judge Gorsuch serving on the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals out of Denver for almost 11 years, this is the first time a nominee has had rulings that directly affect New Mexico. Judge Neil Gorsuch promised if he's confirmed, he'll be independent on the nation's highest court.
We tolerate, we cherish different points of view, and we seek consensus whenever we can.
He and his colleagues have agreed and disagreed on New Mexico cases.
Put it down for now. Don't touch me.
In November 2009, Phil Mosek recorded this video at the Sunport, refusing to show his photo ID.
For using a camera in a public place.
He was found not guilty on 4 misdemeanors here, but later sued, saying his constitutional rights were violated. Judge Gorsuch agreed with his 2 colleagues. Mosek didn't have a case.
This crime be prosecuted to the fullest.
In 2005, Jason Kearns, a military-trained marksman, was accused of shooting at a police helicopter. Charges were later dropped, but Kearns sued the officers, saying his rights were violated when they got copies of his hospital records. Gorsuch sided with police. One judge dissented. But Gorsuch did not side with school authorities in the case of the burping Albuquerque 7th grader who was handcuffed and arrested. Gorsuch went against his colleagues who ruled the school's actions justified. Dissenting, Gorsuch argued the school was out of line.
My decisions have never reflected a judgment about the people before me, only a judgment about the law and the facts at issue in each particular case.
In December, the 10th Circuit had a huge ruling affecting Albuquerque, helping give the green light to ART when opponents tried to stop it. But Judge Gorsuch was not part of that 3-judge panel. Back to you, Dean.
Okay, Aaron, thank you. For confirmation, Gorsuch needs 60 votes in the Senate, which means he will most likely need 8 votes from Democrats. New Mexico Senator Tom Udall has said he will review Gorsuch's record. Senator Martin Heinrich has said Gorsuch, quote, must be subjected to the highest level of scrutiny.